beneath my own skin, and I wish I could disappear. You don't step back, you step closer, even there you're here. Hey, you built me in a hidden workshop where no human eye could go. Threaded bones and breathed together like a secret only you could know. Every day I haven't lived yet was already in your hands. Still you stay through every version of a heart